In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group objects in PowerPoint. Grouping objects is a really useful feature when you want multiple items, like shapes, images, icons, or text boxes, to behave like a single object. This makes it much easier to move your design around a slide without accidentally shifting one piece out of place. If you're working on a layout and want everything to stay aligned, grouping is the quickest way to do it. To begin, select the objects you want to group. You'll do this by clicking the items one by one while holding down the Control key on your keyboard. As you click each object, PowerPoint adds it to your selection. Take your time here and make sure every object you want included is selected before moving on. This step is important because only the items you select will become part of the group. Once your objects are selected, go to the Shape Format tab in the PowerPoint ribbon at the top of the screen. In that tab, look for the Group option. This is where PowerPoint gives you the tools to combine selected elements so they can be managed together. If you don't see the Shape Format tab, double check that the objects are still selected, since that tab usually appears on only when a shape or visual element is active. Now, click Group from the Shape Format menu. This opens the grouping option for the selected items. After that, click Group again from the drop-down. This confirms that you want PowerPoint to combine all of those selected objects into one grouped element. Once that's done, your objects are now grouped together. That means you can click and drag them as one unit instead of having to move each item separately. This is especially helpful when you've already arranged everything exactly the way you want and don't want that spacing to change. It can also save time when you're repositioning content on a slide or duplicating a design element. A helpful tip is to make sure the objects are not locked behind other elements and that they're all selectable before you start. If one item doesn't move with the others afterward, it usually means it wasn't included in the original selection. And that's it. Once your objects are grouped, you can move them together smoothly and keep your slide layout neat and organized.